What's up, folks, and welcome back to the garage. As you can see, there's a pile of junk or treasure behind me, and I brought these from my parents' house where I used to keep all my spare parts. There is still a huge amount of parts. I think I need at least one trip to my parents' house, an empty trailer, to get all the stuff here in my garage. But first I will show you some video from last night when I was taking these parts in, and as you can see, there's a lot of oil on the floor, so I hope I didn't break the oil pan, but we will see that later. But after last night's video and intro, I will show you what we have. Next I will unbox these two boxes, and after that it will be much easier to show you what was in those boxes. Now all the treasures are on the floor. This engine, I think, if I remember correctly, this engine is original replace engine from Volvo factory. I used to have this in one early 240 Volvos, and I saved this. The shell went for recycling, but I saved the engine, and I will do a whole video about this engine because I'm quite interested what's inside. It should be in quite good condition, even it is covered with oil, as you can see, and I have also a lot of oil here on the floor. And first I thought that I broke the oil pan, but it seems to be okay. And as you can see, there's a few oil drops here, so I think it's the crankshaft seal, I think, which might be leaking, because you can see the oil here, so I think it will be that. But I know that I also, when I moved this engine, some oil came out here from the fuel pump hole, and from here from the distributor's hole. But what else I have here? As you can see, the flywheel is original. The flywheel in my 145 is not original anymore because I have taken a lot of material off from the flywheel, which is in that car. And so if you compare this and the one which is in 145, they are totally different. Actually, this is quite heavy. The original flywheel of the Volvo B20 engine is very heavy. I don't remember the weight. If you remember, please put a comment down there. That would be great. First, I thought these parts, the flywheel and the clutch, that they are from this engine, but I was wrong because they are here. As you can see, there's a clutch there and flywheel there, and the rockers and the push rods. I think these are push rods in English, but I don't have an idea from what engine. As you can see, I have also original side mirror. It was 270 Finnish marks way back. Some mirrors, at least 2 mirrors, steering wheels, and that one is in very good condition. It's a little bit dusty, but otherwise it's in good condition. I think these caps are from the springs, spring caps. I have an alternator here. It should be okay. It should be working. Valve covers, some pulleys, used head gasket. I don't know. I don't know why I have saved this one. I think this is from that engine. Engine mounts. I was very lucky to find these because I need these badly for that car. Original Volvo carburetor, Strömberg. As you can see, I will save this one. And exhaust and intake manifold. This set is also very heavy. I can't even raise it with my one hand, but I will save this part or parts. I don't know if I need these, but if somebody wants to buy them, that would be okay. I won't miss those parts. I have a lot of brake lines which I will reuse. Some fuel line and more brake lines. So I have a lot of treasures here. All okay. Some of the parts are trash or junk. For example, here in this plastic bag, but still there's some treasures among the trash, but I have to check these parts carefully so I don't throw anything useful into the recycling. But for example, those shock absorbers, they are ready for recycle. And okay, I think this fuel line is still usable, but still a lot of these are going to recycle. I told you in the last video that the Saab, I managed to get time for a tuner. Seppo Harinen is, I think he is one of the best Finnish tuners, and he knows all about those old cars. So I hope in next week we will have some results. I think Seppo is so talented or so good that it will take 15 minutes of his time, and I bet he will find the reason for poor performance of that car. And I hope I can do a whole video about that tuning, but I haven't asked yet if it's possible. Thanks for watching. Please give me thumbs up and comments down below, that would be great. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right away, and also remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon!